Today I'll guide you through how to create unique AI-generated art using StarryAI. I'll break down the process step by step, share some tips and tricks, and point out common mistakes. Let's get started. First, a little background on StarryAI. Starry uses advanced artificial intelligence to create digital art based on your user preferences. It's available on both mobile and desktop with a free version and paid plans. Open the Starry app or website on your device, and once you start a new project by selecting the Create option. Make sure you're logged into your account. Choose your image style. StarryAI offers a range of styles. Some might look realistic while others might be abstract. Now scroll down to Advanced Settings. This is where you can really customize your artwork. If Advanced Settings is turned on, you'll see a green bubble. Consider your final output. Portrait is great for mobile wallpapers, while Square is ideal for social media posts. Now let's set the runtime, or iterations as it's called. This controls how much time the AI spends generating your work. Generally, the higher the iteration count, the more detailed and refined your artwork will be. For sharper and more defined images, go with higher iterations. A common mistake is going too low and ending up with blurry and undefined images. Once your settings are in place, it's time to hit create. Hit the big button, and now you just have to wait for StarryAI to work its magic. Try more descriptive and specific prompts. This will give you more control over the final output. StarryAI has a gallery where users can share their creations. Browsing this can give you ideas and inspiration. If you love the app and want more control, consider trying the premium features. Don't be afraid to try out different styles for each project. AI art often creates unexpected and unique results, so sometimes experimentation is key.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.